given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Alright, cause I'm gonna FaceTime you on Instagram. I'll show you.
It's recording, so if you got somebody you want to shout out, say hello to.
Nah, I ain't got nobody.
Nobody? Shout out yourself?
Yep, I'm alone. I don't fuck with nobody.
Hey, you can shout out your Instagram. I ain't got many subscribers. Got something like 43, but like,
Hey, that's
still.
something.
Hey, I'm on this app playing some of my music
Yeah?
and making an app, getting new fans.
Alright.
Hey, yo, let me play you my song, alright?
Go for it.
Tell me what you think. It starts off scratchy in the beginning. Oh my god! Okay. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
I'm starting lifting weights again and I'm feeling much better. Can't nobody tell me how to rock the Rockefeller. Let me tell you how many times I got 2 times in my life when I'm fucking up with Kroger. I now wear blue jeans and a white t-shirt. I'm a fucking Italian, I'm really don't forget.
I'm gonna fuck with that. I'm gonna fuck with it.
It's called What's Love on Darby Wicks on YouTube. That's where this is going to be, on Darby Wicks.
I love my fucking homies, they were there for me from day 1 to day 2 till we all checked. That's a fucking bro, that's a fucking team. That's who I climb with, that's who I ride with, that's my love and die bros. That's where I find my hoes, that's where I get some more full of time.
I'm making an album, alright? Story of My Life. This is the name of the album. This is what's going to be on there. There are like 3 songs that are like, because I'm stoned. So, yeah, like, you gotta really pay attention in them.
Yeah.
But yeah, Story of My Life. If you listen to Depression Man Part 2, it's every way I sing and rap. Depression Man is the best album. Other than that, I'd say watch the gaming ones. It's the best I'm at. Hey, I'm going to give this a shot, see if I get any more subscribers. That's what Dang Matt Smith and them is doing.
Yeah.
Shit, pretty sure that's how, what's his name? Jason Paul got started. Yo, his YouTube channel is straight up dookie, but his Snap story is fucking amazing. Did you know that one of his homeboys is a porn star?
You mean Jake Paul?
No, Logan Paul. Wait, is shit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I fuck with Logan. I do fuck with the Logan because Jake Paul ass. I'm sorry.
Bro, I think the dumbest thing he's ever done in his career was that boxing match. Yo, Logan Paul, if you're watching this, ever get to watch this, or somebody just randomly send you the link or say it on Facebook, no insults, bro. You're doing what you gotta do to get by. I respect that. But hey, I mean, I got what I wanted in a video, bro. To just talk to somebody, have a real conversation.
Yeah, you gotta have a real conversation with some people.
Yo, I was in a conversation earlier. I was just talking to Shorty. I was just sitting there playing my music, talking to her. And all of a sudden, she starts taking her shit off. I was like, yeah. Hey, yo, you game?
I do game, but I don't have a system. I got my system yet.
Yo, what system are you getting?
I'm gonna get a PS4.
Damn, I got Xbox One.
Damn.
You should get Xbox One.
I'll think about it.
God, get it. I might be getting the PS5 for Christmas, though. But yeah, here's the Xbox right here. That's my drawing shit, so don't mind that. Damn, it's 2:29 already?
Oh, yeah. 129.
Huh?
You're an hour ahead of me. I'm 129.
Where you from?
I'm from Texas.
You straight?
I'm bi.
You're bi.
I think it's voice.
I'm definitely talk to you later though.
Sure.
You cool with that?
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
Alright. Actually, you can send me a message right now.
I will.
Hey,
I gotta get off here.
hold up.
Find me on Instagram.
Yo, for all you guys out there that watching this, never be shy, bro. That's what gets them like, ew, he's nasty. Don't be shy. Be shy enough. Not that shy though.
Yeah, because I fuck with you.
I fuck with you.
Fuck with you.
Alright, I'll talk to you. You did follow me, right?
Yes, I'll follow you. I will.
Alright. See
I got you.
Pulling shawties left and right. That's number 4 today. Now I'm fucking with you. Yeah, what's up? I would give you an extreme compliment, but you're about to be on YouTube. Darby Wicks on YouTube. Sorry, I'm high, so I'm like, pause. Hello.
That's who I ride with, that's my lover. If I don't ride it.
I'm gonna be on YouTube. Yes, you are. I'm recording right now. You got anything you want to say? Got anybody you want to shout out or anything? You're on YouTube, bro.
Look at their journey.
I'm recording right now. You got anybody you want to give a shout out to or anything?
Can't nobody tell me how to rock Rockefeller. Let me tell you how
That was a good one.
I got drunk 2 times in my life and I'm fucking up with carpet. I'm in with blue jeans and a white t-shirt. I'm a fucking Italian, I'm in and I'm fucking ice eater.
What's up? Yo, check out Darby Wicks on YouTube. You're gonna be on that channel, bro. I'm Darby Wicks. I'm recording right now.
Alright, I'm looking up right now, man. Darby Wicks.
Darby Wicks. W-A-R-B-Y space W-I-X-X.
Okay,
This will be uploaded either today, tomorrow, or the next week.
sounds good, bro.
Hey, yo. Okay, then we can do that. Hey! How are you? Nobody talking. Okay, bye-bye. We got little voices today. Bros. No mission. L.E.L. dashing. Hey, look, we got Loudhouse, bro. You gonna be on YouTube, bro. Darby Wicks. D-A-R-B-Y space W-I-X-X. Don't show nothing inappropriate. This is going on YouTube. The age of a robber. Robber. You fucking thugger. Hey, yo, you're gonna be on YouTube, kid.
Shut the fuck up, you little white piece of crap fucking nigga. Shut the fuck up, little nigga.
Really?
You little bitch.
How am I gonna be the N-word and be white at the same time?
Oh,
Kids need to learn. See, I'm a nice guy. You're gonna be on YouTube. Darby Wicks on YouTube. Okay. You're going to be on YouTube. How do you feel about that? Okay. We gotta get some people to actually have a serious conversation. Hey!
hi.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Oh,
I'm recording right now.
oh, that's lit.
Check me out, Darby Wicks. DARBYWIXX.
Okay.
I think we get more fans.
Hey.
Hi. Okay.
Motherfucker there. Y'all know why y'all suck that dick.
Hello.
Oh, Lord.
That's annoying.
What?
You bad as shit.